Hello. We have presented a special product in front of you. Product name, ThisWorx Car Vacuum Cleaner, Car Accessories. Product description. About this item. 1. Practical, a mini vacuum for a car or truck that is compact, lightweight, 2.4 pounds, and easy to use. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this small dust buster is ready for ash, dust, or drive-through food spills. A fully loaded interior car detailing kit housed in an ergonomic design. 2. Powerful, this handheld vacuum is made for on-the-go use and solving out-of-reach problems. A very sandy day at the beach? A coat of dog hair? The portable vacuum cleaner for cars is designed to solve problems. 3. Strong suction, the cyclonic force and strong suction of the 106W motor on these handheld vacuums will terminate any dirt, debris, or hard-to-reach crumbs. Our mini car vacuum even has a top-of-the-line washable filter. 4. Car cleaning kit, includes 3 attachments for detailing, flathead, extendable, or brush nozzle, carry bag, filter brush, and spare HEPA filter. Must-have car accessories for women or men, these gadgets will keep the interior cute and tidy. 5. Convenient, is the battery always dying when you need a car vac? These truck accessories for men and women use the 12V outlet. The 16-foot cord gives the slack needed to clean the back seat or trunk without a snag. Also great for cleaning boats with a 12-volt cigarette lighter port or a within the 16 feet cord range. Thank you.